How to add portfolio to your profile on Upwork on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to upwork.com. This is the homepage. Now click on your profile. This is my profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is scroll down on your profile until you find this portfolio option. Click here on this little plus icon, and from here you will be able to add your portfolio easy from here. And yeah, you have many options, and this is the first one. Add the project title, the completion date, and click on go to select template. It's actually so easy, so I'm gonna add the test and click go select. Choose the template that you want. Case study, go to add details, and here add the details of the project that you have worked and click on go to preview. It's actually so easy. Just follow and fill all those informations, and yeah, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.